So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up daily automatic Zcash buys on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the search bar at the top and press on it, and then type in Zcash. Once Zcash is selected, go ahead and select it right here, go to the bottom and press on Buy. Now on this page, type in the amount of Zcash that you want to buy per day. So if you wanted to do $20 as an example, I'll type in 20. Right below that where it says one time, press that, make sure that daily is selected, and then go to the bottom and search or press on confirm. And then press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page right here, you can review the transaction so you can see the amount of Zcash that you're buying, the fees, the total, the frequency. You want to make sure that daily is showing, the payment method, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on confirm to set up the buys that way. So that is how to set up the daily automatic Zcash buys on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.